Assalamu alaikum and hi everyone. Today the topic is the axial skeleton. Axial skeleton consists of the skull, vertebral column, ribs and sternum. Axial skeleton originates from the paraaxial, lateral plate or the parietal layer of the lateral plate, the neural crest cells. Here is the diagram of the paraaxial and the lateral plate. And between them is the intermediate, but here we will see the lateral plate and the paraaxial mesoderm. The paraaxial differentiate into segmented series of tissue called the somatomeres and the somites. The difference is the somatomeres is present in the head region while the somite is occipital caudally. Now the somites differentiate into sclerotome and the dermobiotome. Sclerotome is the ventromedial and the dermobiotome is the dorsolateral. Sclerotome differentiate into the mesenchyme. It is a polymorphous loose connective tissue, or it is the embryonic connective tissue. Then it will may become the fibroblast or chondroblast or the osteoblast. Now the lateral plate of mesoderm or the parietal layer of the mesoderm. As we can see that the paraaxial in the last differentiate into the mesenchyme, the lateral plate will also differentiate into the mesenchyme, and the neural crest cell will also differentiate into the mesenchyme. So the lateral and then they will form the bones. Lateral plate differentiate into the mesenchyme and then form the bones of pelvis, shoulder girdles, limbs and the sternum. The neural crest cell. Actually, the neural crest cell this was a layer of the epiblast, and after inversion and fusion here, it will form the neural tube. In the fusion, some cells here separate and they are called the neural crest cells. From these neural crest cells, they will differentiate into the mesenchyme, and mesenchyme will then form the bones of the skull and face. This was a short video about the axial skeleton, only the introduction. Here more videos will be present on the axial skeleton on detail. So like and subscribe to see more easy videos. Thank you.